first time, welcome to Alpen Fury. Welcome to Project Destination. Today, we're at Alpen Fury's early release. I'm here with Peter Switzer, who is the head of construction and maintenance here at Canada's Wonderland. How excited are you to finally be opening up Alpen Fury after all that hard work you must have put in?
I'm very excited to see the reaction from our guests and to see how people like it and to witness their reactions as they come off the ride. That's pretty rewarding to be part of that. So.
No worries. Thank you, Heather.
Heather at Canada's Wonderland was kind enough to let us into the line. How are you feeling now that we're here?
A lot better than I was 30 minutes ago. Are you excited?
Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so thankful.
Are you riding in the front or the back?
The front.
Front?
I heard
it's a front row ride.
Smooth, yeah.
You're literally like 5 minutes away from being on.
Yeah. You know what I said earlier? I said I never thought I was going to be able to ride Alpen Fury before Amusement Insiders.
Oh, you are? That's an accomplishment. Look.
Oh, they're going. All right, thank you. And this is Alpen Fury's very first public train ever. I'm so excited and so surreal to be in the station while it's happening. Alpen Fury! Alpen Fury! Alpen Fury! Alpen Fury! And that was Alpen Fury's very first all clear. And there it goes. Congratulations, gentlemen. That was incredible. How are you guys feeling now that, it's open to the public after all that work?
Really good. Yeah, I'm really excited. I'm happy to see the reactions. Did you enjoy it?
I'm speechless.
What was your favorite part?
Probably the Skyflyer loop, honestly.
Yeah, that's
very.
Where did you ride? In the front or the back?
Second row.
You have to try it in the back. That Skyflyer loop there, you're really whipping around.
Really? Yeah. Well, thank you. Thank you for everything. How are you feeling after finally riding Alpen Fury?
I feel great. Did you ride it?
Oh yeah, that was
It's so good. So good.
Amazing.
What was your favorite element?
Skyflyer loop.
Yeah.
It's so tight and I love it.
That launch is powerful.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. And welcome to the brand new Alpine Outfitters. This is Alpen Fury's brand new gift shop. And here, you'll find Alpen Fury exclusive merch that you won't find in any other gift shop, like the brand new Alpen Fury Nano Coaster. Honestly, I think Alpen Fury is the new #1 ride at Canada's Wonderland. It has so much ejector airtime and the pacing is awesome. You guys really gotta come check it out. See you at the next adventure. Bye.